whip, bought it, whip, got it, drive on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just straight?
What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and a returning subscriber, what's up?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year only.
Alrighty guys, so in today's video we are going to be styling this wig with this sleek, this sleek bang. I love this hairstyle. I'm trying to give you guys more because I'm always doing my natural middle parts, side parts, and stuff like that. So I love a sleek side part. It just fits every girl. We did some nice soft edges. They might be dramatic for you, but I think they're soft for me. Super gorgeous looks. So today's video is sponsored. I will get into that a little bit deeper into the video, but yeah girl, I didn't want the intro to be too long. So if you are interested in seeing how we installed and styled this gorgeous wig, definitely keep on watching. Okay, so today's video is sponsored by Dolago. They did go ahead and send me this body wave 250% density wig. This is their 13x6 lace, HD lace, girl, okay? And it did come lightly pre-plucked and lightly bleached. So I did go ahead and pluck a little bit more off camera, but now I'm gonna take a little bit of my foundation from Ruby Kiss in shade 09, and I'm gonna put that all over the lace. I did not bleach this wig extra, but like I said, I did pluck it a little bit. So yeah, this is what it's giving. I was feeling myself, you know what I'm saying? Very much cute. Okay, so let's get into the install. So you guys know Ghost Bond is my favorite glue. I'm gonna go ahead and just take this Ghost Bond and put it on the perimeter of my hairline. And then I'm just going to smooth this out with my rat tail comb. And if you have a problem with your glue, like kind of showing that white chunky kind of residue, you want to smooth it out very thin, and that's what's going to help it just be, you know, nice and smooth, and it's going to dry clear. Alright guys, so I did go ahead and do 2 layers, so let's go ahead and get her down. I like how this lace, it's not like so much lace in the front of my face where it's like covering my eyes. I feel like that's like a waste of lace. Like we could have just put more hair down, but instead they used a little bit. Like it looks like I pre-cut it, and I really did like that. No lace wasting here. So we're just putting this down, making sure it's right before my natural hairline. Guys, I plucked this wig so nice. Like this looks super good. This was so easy to pluck too, because some wigs are so hard to pluck, but this one was not that. So what I'm doing here is I'm just taking a rat tail comb and I'm pushing the lace into the glue and not the hair. So we're gonna tie her up. We're gonna tie her up, y'all. Sometimes my voice always be sounding like I got problems. Like I be sounding crazy. But anyways, take an elastic band, tie it down, leave a little bit of space between that hairline and the elastic band so you can go in with your even lace spray. This helped for a nice seamless lay down. I mean, what also helped with this lay down is because the lace is HD. Oh my god, guys, I'm talking like I have a problem. I'm so sorry. But yeah, the lace is HD, so it was like already melting very easily. But that is definitely a tip that I learned. So here, usually we cut our lace like this, but you want to cut it downward like this. When you cut the lace like this, it just cuts perfectly. Like you cannot see where the lace is cut. Like it, do you see that? It's literally missing, guys. Like literally, this lace was probably my favorite thing about the wig. Yep, the hair was thick. Yeah, the hair held a curl. All of the above. Like the hair definitely did, but the lace, y'all see what I see, right? Like that's crazy. So just to make it even disappear some more, I'm going to take a little bit of foundation and just put that on my lace. That looks crazy. That looks like I grew out of my scalp. Shout out to Dolago, because period. So now I'm going to go back in with a little bit of more even lace spray. When you're putting on the even lace spray or any spray on your lace, you want to have that blow dryer handy right next to you, because it can possibly lift up the wig. So you want to dry it immediately after spraying. I decided to switch it out and go in with my spritz. Spritz also helps with it just melting into the skin and just looking very seamless. So you can choose which one. I prefer the spritz though. So today I decided to do a deep side part, kind of like swoop wig, and I think it was so cute. So after pulling out my side part, now I'm going to take a hot comb and just flatten this wig. Do you see how flat this is already? This wig is elite. and it's affordable, like elite. Okay, this wig was already flat, like it didn't have lumps and bumps, and it was so easy. So I'm just gonna go ahead, take out my edges. Like I said in the intro, my edges are semi-natural. Okay, you can definitely go natural, more natural than this, but I feel like I didn't go crazy. So I'm just pulling out my edges, and I'm going to take a tweezer and I'm going to thin out my edges. Now, I don't do this with all my wigs, but I don't know why I don't do this, because it changes how your edges look. If you just pull out your edges and say you take out a thin part and you're like, I don't need to pluck this, for some reason, it just doesn't look as good as if you take that extra step in plucking it. It just makes the edges more thin, more airy, and it just swoops very easily. So I'm going to go in with my She's Bomb wax stick and smooth this hair down. This hair is just such a good girl. Like, it's such a good girl. She just listens. You tell her lay down, she lays down. You say, I'm gonna put a wax stick on you and lay you down even more. She's like, okay, I'm gonna lay down even more. Like, this wig, I definitely like it. If you guys are interested in getting the exact unit, it's gonna be in the description box with a promo code. Okay, I got you guys with, you know, little discounts and everything like that. But yeah, this is elite. So I'm just taking the hot comb again, hot combing it. As you guys know, I like to hot comb my hair first with no product, and then I go back in with some product, and I'm just smoothing that into the hair, especially on that part that's going to be slicked down. So with my slick down, I didn't really want to like do too much to it, like adding too much product. So I just pinned it behind my ear. I didn't take another side and try to put a ponytail behind my head. No, I'm literally just going to pin it behind my ear. I took some hairpins, pinned it down, and that's it. And it laid in place. So after you smooth it down, I'm going to take a little bit of the even spray just to hold it in place and like make it sit on my forehead how I wanted it to sit. But I didn't try too hard with that part at all. It was a very, very easy hairstyle. And I'm telling you guys, like, this stuff is so much easier when you have a wig that cooperates with you. Some installs I do, it comes out cute, but it took a little bit more elbow grease. Like, it took a little bit more work. But this wig was so easy. Like, I feel like it styled itself. Like, it just fell into place perfectly. So I love that. So yeah, I'm just hot combing this so it can, like, you know, dry down and get nice and hard. And now we're gonna do my edges. I don't know why I decided to cut my edges like this, girl. Like, I just be doing stuff. Like, I don't even be thinking, I just be doing this. But I still cut it in the same way you're supposed to cut it. You're supposed to cut it at an angle. Like, look at me being extra for no reason. But anyways, I'm gonna cut my edges. Then we're gonna take a 1/2 inch flat iron and we're gonna curl it under. I have not curled my edges up in months. Like, I like it under. It just is so much easier for me. It just lays down how it's supposed to. Lately, I switched out my Gots to Be glue gel and just started to use the Even lace spray. Shout out to Even, because this product has been used so much in this video and a lot of my videos. I just found that it makes my edges look more airy. My edges also, it's so much easier for some reason. With the Gots to Be glue, it comes out good, it works, but I don't know, like, I don't know. It's a difference between using a spray and using the glue. So I rather use the spray instead, and it just comes out very, very easy. You guys see, like, this was super easy. But yeah, look at those edges, just doing what it's supposed to do, not giving me no problem. I love my little Amazon blow dryer. She's like my little pocket blow dryer. So yeah, that's one thing with these bangs. You do have to kind of make sure it is, you know, sitting in place how it's supposed to be. So today, instead of doing like wand curls or straightening the hair, I decided, because the hair already had naturally that body wave, I wanted to just kind of replicate that a little bit with some soft crimps. These crimps weren't like very uniformed and hard and we put spray on them. We just kind of did them fun and flirty, very easy, kind of soft, nothing crazy. And I think it was just super, super pretty for this look. Alright guys, so this is what the hair looks like after we crimped it. Guys, tell me this hairstyle is not so freaking cute. I feel like it made me look like younger. I just feel like this is so cute. I love this hair. Do you see how it's holding that crimp so nicely? And it held the crimp for like 3 days, which is also so important and so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead, throw a little bit of makeup on, you know, just a little bit of lashes, eyebrows, and a lip liner. Okay, I was actually going on a date this night. Me and him didn't work out, but me and this wig did work out. Okay, this hair was so cute. Guys, obsessed, in love, just love this hair. Super raw, super bomb. Like, it was giving, it was talking. Okay, period. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of today's video. In today's video, I did go ahead and install and style this wig that was sent to me. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, all the information will be down below in the description box. I'm so obsessed with this look, y'all. I'm about to go out. I'm about to get my pictures because this is just giving. I'm obsessed. I'm in love. I just love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So if you guys like this look, please drop some heart eyes down below if you guys are going to try this out for yourself and if you like it. Love you guys so much and cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.